Little did I know, the drone wasn't making it back.
This is not what I planned on doing today. Go that way, that way. There you go.
Matt, are you back on the BC Boys? I am on the BC Boys channel.
So the BDR has it where it makes you take the road for a good section of the way here. Instead of doing that, last night we decided to go on this trail called the racetrack. And that's what we are finishing up this morning, and we'll probably get back on the road and continue.
Whoa.
Sir, license and registration, please. License, registration. No fleeing. No fleeing. No fleeing the scene. Sir, need your license, registration.
From a lot of this stuff, we traveled on paved road to get to certain places, and we thought it'd be more of like a transition piece just between dirt roads, but there's a lot more miles of paved road than we imagined. A little too much.
I'm surprised how long this loop is in the Abajo.
Yeah, the Abajo loop through the mountains is actually pretty surprising how long it is. I'm excited for everything we get to see. This is amazing. Like, the landscape to the left and driving on this type of, not really much of a shelf road, but still is kind of a shelf road. This is
Yeah, I think that this might be one of my more enjoyed sections of the BDR. Like, the north part was really cool, but this section here with the shelf roads and the rock is like, I think I'm enjoying it more than some of the middle sections.
I think this is better than the last section we did, to be honest, where we were more in the desert and lower elevation and on that rocky stuff. This is cooler, I think.
I think it's going to be really cool too, because we're up in the like high mountains up here, high elevation, and then we're going to drop all the way down into the Red Rock down by Mexican Hat and down by Arizona.
Oh yeah, I agree. That's gonna be incredible.
Just to think he wanted to go up the shelf road the other night. I don't think he would have made it very far.
We're officially on the last leg of the BDR.
Yeah, buddy, almost done. About 1 year later, we finish it. Well, we're not finished yet, but we're gonna finish it. Whoa! Oh, that's a little muddy. Shane and I were too busy talking. Cool. Stay on the rocks. What's in there, buddy? What's in there?
Far back it goes.
That's a long way back. It was definitely mined out at some point. That's the slowest backing up I've ever seen. With the lower half of the BDR being in the desert, more of a desert area in southern Utah, we expected to be in the drier climate, actually in the desert. We've been in the trees and in the mountains a lot of the time, and this is amazing. This is a super cool route.
I think he learned his lesson.
You might need to run back to the main road. Water crossing. Look, he's getting that.
Three-wheeling.
Oh, there it is.
Funny right now with Tucker's following your truck just like he always follows mine right in the back corner of it.
We originally drove up that road thinking it would lead us to these ruins. However, we were wrong. We drove up the road but found that little water spot, just kind of hung out there for a little bit and then drove back. We got back to the main road and saw from a distance that it was on the other side of the rock face, so I sent my drone up. The drone battery was at a very low battery percentage when I first sent it up, so I knew it would be kind of difficult getting it there and back, but I only had that battery. That battery was the most charged battery out of the 3 that I had, so I risked it. The view of the ruins that I was able to get from up close with the drone was absolutely worth it. It was so beautiful. Little did I know, the drone wasn't making it back. As you can see, that risk did not pay off. The battery died.
Going to find Jordan's drone somewhere up in the mountains. Crash land, drone reconnaissance.
Gotta find the lost drone.
Never thought we'd be exploring mine shafts to go find the drone.
Straddle the pipe.
This is not what I planned on doing today.
Hey, don't go too fast. I'm afraid. Stay up. I can't see.
It keeps getting shorter and shorter. Oh.
That's just Jordan.
Where's Morgan when you need him?
Yeah.
Straddle the pipe, boys.
Oh my god.
This is nuts.
Oh my god, it gets skinny. Think short.
Lie down. All I can see. Hit my head. Hit my back anyway.
Holy shit, there it is.
No way.
Is that right there?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Had to go through the tunnel to Narnia, but we got her, boys.
Well, hey, at least we got a cool hike to go to, unexpectedly.
I can't believe we had to hike through a tunnel. She's beauty. She's grace. She's Miss United States.
Well, as you can see, Operation Go Find the Drone was a success. If the drone wouldn't have died, we never would have gone up that. We never would have found that little cave, and we never would have got a little closer view of the ruins or cabins, whatever the heck you want to call them. It was really sweet. That was worth the little adventure, a little detour. Back on the trail now. We're gonna drive for half hour, and stop and have some lunch.
Wow, this is sweet.
All right, we're back on the trail after some lunch, and now we're going back through the Ponderosas. This is not what I expected as we were going through the trail. We're still up in elevation and we're having a good time.
Hey, I found a cattail pine.
Driving on this section of the Backcountry Discovery Route is one of the coolest places. I looked at the map and I saw that we were going to be driving like a shelf road in elevation for a while, but did not imagine how cool it actually would be and how long we were actually going to be driving on that shelf road. This is incredible. So many sweet views. had to play a game of Find Patrick. I took Shane and Ernest down a trail that was a little bit too narrow, so we ended up having to back out of the whole thing. Got a few new pinstripes to my vehicle, which kind of sucks, but that's okay. It's all part of the adventure. But yeah, so Pat ended up not following us and didn't realize we turned in. So he went his own direction and we had to go chase him down for a minute. But hey, we got him, we're back on the trail and we are enjoying it.
Doobie Brothers? Yeah? Oh yeah. Maybe not that one. This one wants, nope. No one wants Doobie Brothers. Just look at the truck.
Be nice. He's a friend. He's not steak tonight. Yeah! Good. Yes, sir, master. All right, found camp for the night. Beautiful view. Nice trees and Tucker. And a fire pit right on top here. Oh, get it. Got it. Shane the chef.
Ready? Oh, he's just gonna eat it. Yeah,
Look at that.
We designed it.
You got dinner table, bar stools, fire lit dinner.
Hey. Bartender, sir, I'll have another.
He's ready to serve you.
Sir? Like another, please.
I come over here and he looks like he's chewing on a deer leg, and he is chewing on a deer leg. Yeah, he's being so peaceful. That's when the kids are acting up. What is that?
Dummy Olympics.
We'll see you do what Tucker did.
Dude, I thought you were going to get that stick right up your ass. For some reason, all the logs decided to stand around the fire.
First minute.
That's not good, Shane.